The criminal charge for drunk driving is called driving while intoxicated, or DWI. Under Texas law, a person commits the crime of DWI if the person is intoxicated while operating a motor vehicle in a public place. Intoxicated means the person does not have the normal use of their mental or physical faculties because of alcohol, drugs, a combination of drugs and alcohol, or they have a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08% or higher. A first conviction is a misdemeanor and carries at least 3 days in jail, a fine of up to $2,000, and a suspension of your license up to 1 year. A second conviction is also a misdemeanor and carries at least 30 days in jail, a fine of up to $4,000, and a suspension of your license up to 2 years. A third conviction or more is a felony and is punishable by 2 to 10 years in prison, a fine of up to $10,000, and a suspension of your license for up to 2 years. In addition, all drunk driving convictions require completion of an alcohol education program. The state will also impose surcharges to be paid annually. A first conviction results in a $1,000 surcharge for 3 years. Second and third convictions result in a $1,500 surcharge, also paid for 3 years. A drunk driving conviction with a blood alcohol content greater than 0.15% results in a $2,000 surcharge paid annually for 3 years. These penalties can have serious long-term consequences on you and your family, but there are ways to aggressively defend against a drunk driving charge. If you or someone you know has been charged with drunk driving, call us today to find out what we can do to help.